In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error while fetching files. This is a very common problem that can happen when you try to open a video or stream in VLC Media Player, and instead of playing, you see an error message saying VLC is unable to fetch the file. Don't worry, this issue is usually easy to fix, and I'll walk you through several proven solutions step by step. These fixes work for both local files and network streams. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's begin with the most basic but most important check, and that is checking the file path or the URL. Many times this error appears because the file you're trying to open has been moved, renamed, or deleted. If you're opening a local video file, make sure the file still exists in that folder and hasn't been moved to another location. If you renamed the file or changed the folder structure, VLC won't be able to find it. If you're opening a network stream or online URL, double-check that the link is correct and still active. Try opening the same link in a browser to confirm it works. If the link is broken, VLC won't be able to fetch the file. Next, let's move on to disabling hardware acceleration, which is a very common fix for VLC errors. Open VLC Media Player, then click on Tools at the top and select Preferences. Make sure you are on the Simple Settings view. Now click on Input and Codecs. Here, look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, this may be set to Automatic. Click the drop-down and change it to Disable. Once you do that, click Save at the bottom and completely close VLC. Reopen VLC and try playing the file again. In many cases, this alone fixes the fetching file error. If the problem still exists, the next step is to reset VLC preferences. Sometimes VLC settings can become corrupted over time, especially after updates or codec changes. To reset preferences, open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom left corner, click on Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset when prompted. After resetting, close VLC completely and open it again. This restores VLC to its default configuration and often resolves playback and fetching errors. Another important step is to allow VLC through your firewall. On Windows, your firewall may be blocking VLC from accessing network files or streams. Open Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through firewall. Scroll through the list and make sure VLC Media Player is checked for both private and public networks. If VLC is not listed, click on Allow another app and add VLC manually. Once VLC is allowed through the firewall, try fetching the file again. The final step is to make sure VLC is fully up to date. Older versions of VLC can fail to fetch certain local or network files due to compatibility issues. In VLC, click on Help, then check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your computer if needed. Using the latest version ensures better file support, bug fixes, and improved stability. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the VLC error while fetching files and get your videos playing again without any issues. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.